Are you currently having the problems with Instagram that you keep getting login error where it says that sorry there was a problem with your request? Well, actually I used to get the exact same problem for my account just a couple of minutes ago, but I was able to fix it. And I'm going to show you and explain to you step by step exactly how I was able to basically fix this problem. So what you're going to do, you're actually going to close your Instagram app. Unfortunately, as of right now, it seems that we can't really do anything on Instagram because it's kind of bugged out. Then what you're going to do instead, you're going to open up App Store if you have an iPhone or Google Play Store if you have an Android. This works both on iPhone and Android, this method, just so you know. Now you're going to search for Instagram in here. So search for Instagram, scroll down, and as you can see, I have this update button in here. I'm going to click on the update button right now. And if you do have the update button, it's very important that you click on it because it seems that the new update is actually going to fix a lot of these issues for us. So if you have this update button, it's perfect. You can just click on it and then just wait a couple of seconds or maybe a couple of minutes for it to actually update. And you need to have, of course, connected to Wi-Fi or connected to mobile data to be able to actually update the app, just so you know. And then after it has updated, go back to your Instagram and check if it's actually working again. If it's still not working, well, it could be that you're not able to log into your account right now. Either it has been disabled, the account, and you can check that by going, for example, on your computer and then just typing the name of that account and see if it shows up. So if it does show up, well, then this account has not been disabled. You have probably either forgotten your username or your password to that account. You can always reset the password if you have, for example, your mobile or email connected to that account. If you have access to it, you can always reset that account again. And yeah, hopefully this will be able to actually fix this problem for you.